It's hard for me to do it by myself, but if I got you on my side, I don't give a fuck, you know what I'm saying? That's where I bought that shit over there. You know what's this? You got any idea?
You're asking me or just...
No, I'm asking if you know. No. It's a fucking gel. If I'm correct, this is a gel, bro. Yeah, but fuck no. Only that guy at the stadium. You guys is the places like the chef is the fucking la grasa, la aceite. How long they're fucking
stay away from fried fish.
Yes. How long they fucking they had that shit? Remember we went to fucking Nahur at the end of the night? Fucking el aceite was fucking done already, bro. Yeah, but we're not leaving right now though. Can't leave right now. Too many people. Gotta wait a little bit. This place is hectic, bro. The only thing they put Jordan everywhere, look. This is good quality. To be honest, that's the way to do it. The brands, it's a fucking regular shit. They put their shit and they put that little sticker with original. Original my ass. These people got it made, bro. Over here, there's no fucking sun. In the rain. They sell clothes here, goes hammer like that, look. Pacas. It's the cheapest shit you could find. It's the cheapest place you could find. Cheapest place you could buy here in Medellín. We're right here in Centro. It's around 5 or 4:55. Oh, that was a garbage truck. When I say you can find whatever you want in the center, you can find whatever you want, bro. Hat, clothes, belt, food, hotel, banks, they got everything out here. There's so many stores here, bro. Gracias, mi hermano. These are the quality of the shoes out here. they're not that good. You gotta go to a Palacio, and those are the best. But still, they look good. Just a lot of weird shit. Only thing, a lot of beautiful girls work here, bro. Look. Wanna pick up a real Colombian girl? Come out here, bro. Beautiful girl. Got so many stores, man. You don't even know what to buy, bro. Watch. Right here, they do all that shit. Central Thursday around 6 p.m. Everybody coming out of work. So you see a lot of people out here. You gotta come early, more time, and go everywhere.